Welcome to green technology. No hype, no shortcuts. Just raw machines doing exactly what they were built to do. Crush, cut, recycle, and transform waste into usable resources. What you're about to see isn't destruction for show. It's industrial power applied with purpose. A smart decision starts with preparation. Dropping a 4-ton breaker ball first softens the material, reducing blade shock before the real cutting begins. This is the Screen Leader Power 170X, a high-capacity tracked mobile screen built for flexibility, capable of processing up to 500 tons per hour. Aggregates, coal, iron ore. It doesn't discriminate. It just separates, consistently and efficiently. When it comes to scrap metal, brute force still matters. The Brandenburg car flattener is built for one purpose: turning end-of-life vehicles into compact, transport-ready slabs. No drama, no downtime, just hydraulic pressure doing its job. German engineering takes a different approach. This raw shredder relies on pure mechanical energy. The auger-style system pulls material inward, applying maximum torque where it counts. Thick brush, bulky timber, mixed waste, it doesn't stall, it consumes. From above, precision becomes obvious. Every movement is intentional, every cut calculated. This is how industrial shredding starts: controlled, repeatable, reliable. In quarry operations, primary crushing sets the tone. With a 100 by 60 centimeter jaw, this primary crusher delivers high reduction ratios, breaking oversized rock into manageable material for secondary processing. Efficiency here determines everything downstream. Composite recycling brings a different challenge. Wind turbine blades made of CFRP and GFRP are tough, abrasive, and potentially hazardous. The Titan 900 pre-shredder reduces them safely, enabling cleaner separation and sustainable recycling of complex reinforced plastics. When trees meet heavy steel, scale matters. This machine doesn't cut, it devours. Massive logs disappear as if resistance never existed.
On breadsticks.
Rain, mud, unstable ground, none of it stops experienced operators. Across soaked sawmill yards, machines move with surgical precision. Every lift carries weight. Every turn demands control. This isn't chaos, it's coordination. Listen closely. The steady hum of the chipper, the rhythmic crack of wood fibers breaking, fresh wood chips flowing cleanly to the ground. To some, it's noise. To others, it's mechanical harmony.
Ja. Har vi någon sekund här?
Versatility defines modern attachments. Quick couplers allow rapid switching between scrap shears and grabs, making yard work faster and more efficient. Precision cutting or bulk handling, the choice depends on the job.
Symphony.
Close your eyes again. Hydraulic engines rumble deep. Metal fractures into fragments. Conveyors whisper as processed material moves onward. Industrial power becomes a mechanical symphony. When volume matters, output speaks louder than branding. Producing up to 120 tons per hour, this chipper delivers uniform material for pulp, biomass, or difficult diseased timber. Built not to impress but to endure. Plastic recycling has its own rhythm. The crisp snap of polymers. Smooth blade rotation. Each sound marks waste becoming feedstock again. Steel doesn't get second chances. Massive cutting systems slice through reinforced structures with ease, reducing entire frameworks into manageable scrap. Engines, frames, thick steel beds, nothing intimidates true metal shredders. What once powered vehicles is reduced to raw material, ready for rebirth in the steel industry. Mistakes here are unforgiving. A misplaced bucket, a parked vehicle too close. That's why respect for operators matters. They handle machines capable of ending everything in their path. Some machines are built to crush everything. Others are built to adapt. Adjustable particle sizes, multi-material capability, high efficiency with controlled operating costs. That's what defines modern waste processing. This is why shredding matters. Not destruction, transformation. Cleaner metals, higher value materials, easier transport, even precious metals recovered from old electronics.
If cars had a final destination before being reborn as recycled metal,
Green technology isn't about pretending machines are gentle. It's about using power responsibly, turning waste into resources, reducing volume, emissions, and loss. Because nothing here is random. Every blade angle, every hydraulic stroke, every design choice serves a purpose. This is industrial recycling at its core. Raw, precise, unstoppable.